Hello, welcome to another stream on Cards of Wonder. We are going through some items that I have found and other people have found. Um, and we are Cards of Wonder. Wow. Yep. Welcome, Mardigan. Did you just get that reference or COW cow? Um, I've been uh calling it cow for a while. Well, most of the time I just say Cards of Wonder. Um, all good. All good. I did some more farming last night. Got all those bales done. Farming Sim 22. What we were doing on Monday. Um, okay. I don't think I want to tackle this yet. So I don't know why I even came here. But this here will eventually be my game state controller. Which means I'm going to have all the data that is needed for your cards, um, and other things stored here. There's going to be less calls to the database, to ES3, and more calls to this data structure, I guess, which has state and variables and all that kind of stuff. But like I said, I don't want to tackle that yet. So we're going to solo battle. This I don't mind tackling. Oh, right now. Wow. You don't need to zoom in. Battle system. We're going to tackle the battle system today. I wanted some more space here. All right. So the biggest thing is I can remove all this animation stuff because everything now is done via an animation rather than me manually tweening it. Okay, we can bring this all the way over here. We don't have so much distance. It looks good too. All right. First off, it comes to here, nothing happens, right? Because we actually don't have. Uh, we're not getting to the battle system um, by on start. We're getting it from here. So it does some stuff here, and then it goes to a battle system, which actually, now that I see this, I need to start here. So let's see. We are loading map, or a battle mat. I mean, not map, battle mat. Um, I am trying to find how to adjust this. I know I've done it before, but I thought it was just here. I'll just do that, make it more simple. All right. So we have the battle map. We have selected deck material and select deck material 2. If you are wondering why I have 2 different things, why are these backwards? I don't know how this got up messed up, but whatever. There, much better. Okay. As I was. So there are 2 different materials. One is for this deck, because it's just a background, and it's facing a certain direction, which is towards you. I just need it to be normal. But like on the 3D cards, the back needs to be mirrored because it's the way it's set up. So the back needs to be mirrored so that it's 2 different materials. So that's why we have 2 different materials there. Selected deck image. I don't think we actually have need this. So, and all this stuff, all these loads are going to go away, and we're going to grab that information from the game controller. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, we don't use that at all here. So I'm just going to get rid of this. All right. Set material. Oh, I had to do this manually. That's why. Besides the background of your player's card, um, that also is going to change if you change your back of your card. I actually set that up last weekend, I believe. All right. Okay, and I'm changing the battle mat. Seeing if selected cards exist. If so, I'm loading them. If not, I'm not loading them. And all hell breaks loose. I don't know. Um, is that int value computer cards int? What? Maybe I'll maybe I'll figure that out. Then I'm setting or loading the selected cards in. I do not know what this means. We're going to init up here. In player press, we're going to load the enemy portrait. We're going to load the level actor name. So pretty much this is just for a campaign. So right here. Set the sprite set the sprite and set the text. Then we're going to get FSM array, which is done by the computer or actor's name. So their actor's name, we're getting the FSM labeled their name, just like this. And this is what I was afraid of. So we have to at least have 12 cards in case there is a tie. So we need to add 2 more cards to every one of these 15 decks. All these level decks. I have to have 12 cards. So we could just throw some monsters in there or whatever, because I'm pretty sure I only have 8 normal dwarves and then 1 one golden dwarf, gold rarity dwarf. Okay. So if that is not found, okay, thanks for coming. We are going to, if it is found, we're going to copy the values. If not, we're going to go to failed and then go crazy. Um, ah, this is what, this is for. You just need 12 cards anyways. So I mean, it's good. I already have this set up, but yeah, it was somewhat set up. Excuse me. Okay. Then I'm gonna save um, the computer cards and my cards as player cards in these player prefs variable. I'm going to also save actual save to my database enemies cards starter and player card starter, pretty much the default. Okay, and then we're going to go to the battle system. Oh, this is my random card generator. Battle system. Okay, I'm pretty sure it was in it. Just double check. In it for create cards. In it for create cards. Load, no. Knit rewards system. Knit for create cards. Okay. We are going to load the player prefs. So this is another thing that I can streamline with FSM's sending the data instead of saving and loading to player prefs. It's just not needed, and it will be. It might be quicker. So yeah. Why don't we do it right now while we're going through it? Solo battle. Solo battle. And we are going to set an array. FSM. Set FSM array. And that is a battle system. Interesting. Okay. Let's change this FSM. Battle system. That's much better. Perfect. And I am setting computer cards. Computer cards. Perfect. Battle system. Yep. And this is my cards. Going to my cards. I don't think I have a starter. Enemy cards starter. Battle system. Variables. Enemy card starter. It's an array. What type of array? Let me tell you. It's cards data. And we're gonna save that. What else we need? Player cards data. Starter. Player cards starter. Variables. Create a new one. It's an array. Add it. What type? Cards data. Perfecto. Hey, now how do we need to get this? Because I'm setting it right here. So I don't need to get it. It's already set, which is a powerful thing. Let's see if I can copy this. I just change the player. I don't see it. I don't see it. Yeah. Try that again. Battle system. Battle system. And variable names is my cards. Setting as player. Did I set it on the wrong one? Player card starter right here. Hmm. Set is just so far away. So far away by itself. All right. We're setting FSM array. Battle system. We are setting enemy card starter as nope, not my cards. It's computer cards. Okay. Battle system. My cards. No, no. Player card starter. My cards. Perfect. Delete that. Delete that. And I have copy values, so hopefully it doesn't erase the starter. I haven't really messed with this, so it's all new to me. All new to me. Okay, now that I used a player card starter, maybe, just maybe, it allows me to see it up here. Specify battle system. Engaged. FSM. And it is Do I have these opposite? Huh. Oh, I do have these opposite. It is my cards and player cards. Oops. My cards, computer cards. That's all fine. This would be enemy card starter and computer cards. So I need to flip flop those. Flip flop them in this battle scene in it. This is my cards, and this is player cards. This is enemy cards, and this is computer cards. Okay, cool. Now I got that straightened out. Um, Now when we come here, we do not need to load either of these because it's already set before we even came to this section of code. Very powerful. Okay, create cards for battle. Wait. We are shuffling the cards. Your cards, my cards. Okay. Card link. Card link. Create cards for battle. So right now I haven't done anything with the cards besides shuffle them. I'm activating deal. What's deal? Deactivating deal. Oh, yeah. The deal button. Anyways, player card, enemy card. Activating both of them. Set game object. Oh, I'm setting it as the game object. Okay. Oh, get next child. Gotcha. So I'm getting either player card or battle card. Um, player or enemy. Where do we get player card though? Oh. Oh, if it is the player card. Gotcha. I don't know. That's not confusing to have a play add player thing. Add a player yeah, thing. Okay. So array get battle index 0. So I'm getting the top card. This is where we might need to play around with. Wanna remove. I don't know what the difference between delete or hmm. So this way we're working it is we will battle index. So we're getting the it from the array first, and then we're going to delete it from the array because this way we won't ever have a duplicate card. So that'll fix that. We need to do the same thing here. Computer cards. But that's also why we're resetting it if they do reset it, right? Um, now, we have to make sure we are stepping through every part of this whole process. Because if we are saving the cards to the database after we are deleting them, that won't go well. So, All right, so we need a battle index, right? Okay. So we're just getting properties, and then we're going to ascend to the next one. Get chat. Okay, so here we're getting children, we're getting properties, we're setting materials in another property. We're setting some ints and strings, and I'm okay. We might have to eventually remove these, but for now, I'm not going to remove anything else. And we're setting text and a sprite. So we go here. If it's this card type and match, we're setting it. If not, we're finishing. Card rarity, card race. Then we're getting the children of the parent object. We're getting some more properties. Okay. Just making sure I didn't duplicate anything. Good job. Okay. Property. Material. Name. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have race string. Race string. So if I deleted anything before, may have missed it. Name string, race string. Okay. Setting stuff. Okay. Then it goes back to here, and then to the enemy, and then we go over to here. Loop to add materials. That doesn't make any sense. But get next child battle again. Oh, if finished. Okay, then we go down. Okay. um, get rid of this. We're waiting 3 seconds, and then we're going to send the start battle. Waiting another 2 seconds. They're going to finish. And we're getting some strings, some ints. Okay. Here or here, here, here. That all looks good. Okay. Okay. Lose match? Why is that being sent? Oh, that's because I lost the match. Okay. We're doing some math here. Activating. I don't know if I need to activate and particle play. But it's working, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Convert string to int. Subtract. Yeah, see? I just have the activate or activate the game object. Mm-hmm. So we're moving some cards here. And I gotta kind of work backwards here, but okay, we're loading the player name. Okay, that's fine. I don't get this. So this might be why all that the second cards pop up, all that kind of stuff. Oh, that's because I'm not sending an event. I'm just having the button do the send event. Gotcha. That makes sense now. All right. So we need to fix the positioning of cards. Which is 738 and 65 on the Z. Cool. And then um 730 and 65 also, which makes sense why they would match, right? That hasn't changed, but this is save that. Okay. Let's make sure I'm not saving it in any of these. I kind of glanced over these two. Yeah. Don't see any saves there. So we should be golden now. All right. I'm going to go back to launch and launch it. And let's see if our changes work. Excuse me. Yeah. I thought all the story came out pretty good. Mm, what's going on? Okay. Not there. I don't know what's going on. Does it not recognize it? Let's go to main scene. No. Full of battle. Not sure why that wouldn't set it, but it could have been. Maybe the FSM name was incorrect. Right? Try that again. That looks a lot better. I think we need the cards to go down further. It's looking like I'm going to be winning, but I wanted to lose. Hmm, Gatekeeper. A duplicate? Can't tell. Hmm. Okay, something's not working here. Sorry, I didn't let you listen to that. Hey, look at that. We still don't have an alert popping up, though. I don't need to- I don't see my quest system. Why is there two player canvases? This deck is just too powerful. They don't have Wild Maiden. That I know for sure. So this ain't working exactly how I wanted it to, but I gotta go for now. So we'll have to work on that later. Thanks everyone for watching or watching in the future. Please hit that follow since we're still a new channel. So we need to get them followers up. Appreciate it and have a good day. Bye.